Okay, so as a beginner nail tech, I love these press-on nail stands because I can't do nail art with my like non-dominant hand, and so these nail stands come in handy. So you get 2 in a pack, 5 stands for 5 fingers, and they're magnetic, so you can move them around wherever, they won't move. You can shake them around, they won't move. They come off and go on pretty easily, which I love because when I travel with these, they come off, but then they're really easy to put back on. And they're also curved for like kind of for like a nail tip shape, and I stick on my nails with this because I don't have the sticky stuff yet. There's like this sticky clay stuff that you use originally, but I don't have that yet, but that's okay because it works just as well. And these stands are so nice. They're pink and magnetic and really easy to store. And I just love using these as a nail tech. So if you're looking for an easy way to do your nails by not putting them on your hands, then I would check this out.
Hi! The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I drop for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye!